Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Android phone as speaker for PC. So let's get started. You will have to open up any browser and just type in the audiorelay.net and hit enter. From here, just click on download button and you have to select depending on your PC which Windows, Linux or Mac OS, but for me I will have to download it for Windows. So hit download and it will start downloading. After that's done, open it and launch it on your PC. After that's done, open up your Android phone and you have to install the audio relay also on your Android phone, just like this. Wait for this one to download. And after that, you have to make sure that both of your phone and your PC is connected to the same Wi-Fi. You have to launch the audio relay on your Android phone. And you should be able to see the connect by address. So you have to enter the IP address of your laptop or PC, and you can see that on the PC client. You have to enter that manually. And after that, you have to see under connections from your PC your Android device. Make sure that you set the audio device on your PC as virtual speakers. There's also another way you can do it by connecting your Android phone and your PC via USB cable. So we're just going to connect both of the phone and the PC. After you connected it, go to settings, scroll down, and just enable USB tethering. Also on your phone, you will need to go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, hit the hotspot in tethering. After that, you will need to enable USB tethering option. Once that's done, go again on audio relay and you should be able to see your desktop under the servers. That's all guys. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.